Hey, good day to you. This is Todd. I'm just a regular dude walking in the Word. This is the final episode of Psalm 23. How about that? We're going to be starting a new book next time, so if you want input on what book we're going to be starting, you got to let me know, like, really quick. Psalm 23 says this: "The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He makes me to lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside the still waters. He restores my soul. He leads me in paths of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for you are with me. Your rod and thy staff, they comfort me. You prepare a table before me in the presence of mine enemies. You anoint my head with oil. My cup runs over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever." That phrase we're talking about today is that last phrase. I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Remember, hopefully you guys have picked up this book and are reading along. It's A Shepherd Looks at Psalm 23 by Philip Keller. The last chapter, he deals with this, I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. The thing is, like, and you got to look at house when you're talking about being a shepherd and taking care of sheep. The house is more than just like the place I live. It's the fields I'm at in, and the shepherd taking care of me, and everything involved with that. So a home, when we say come home, we're not just talking about the physical house. We're talking about the family that lives there. And so when the kids go to college and they come back or they're gone away, they're like, oh, it's so good to be home. They're not talking about like, oh, I'm so glad I can look at these walls and everything. No, they're talking about the family being there and the different things that are happening in that home. That's what they're talking about. And so in the same way, it says, I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. David is talking here. He is so happy where he's at with the Lord and his walk with the Lord. He's like, I'm going to walk with the Lord forever. There's no reason for me to leave the house of the Lord. Another way to say it is Philip Keller he's put simply stated direct, rather the way a rough rancher would say it is this: nothing will ever make me leave this outfit. It's great. Okay? So imagine with me also that you're working on an awesome job that you've been trained for, and you really enjoy working there, and you just love the job. And someone comes to you and offers you another job, and you're like, why would I leave this job I love and I'm trained for, and everything is going good with it? Why would I leave this to come and work for you? And that's the thing. The same way is, we have such a love for the Lord, and David is writing here, he has such a love for the Lord that why would he leave? And he is just so content being in the house of the Lord, okay? And not just talking like being in the temple, but his life, his walk with the Lord. And hopefully that should be the way it is with you, that your walk with the Lord, you're content in that, and that's the way I am. And it's like, I enjoy my time with the Lord, spending quality time every day in prayer and Bible reading and so forth. But I enjoy that, and I don't know any other way, that there would be. So if someone, came and offered me a life of drugs and sin, I'd be like, now why would I want to do that? I have my love for the Lord, and I want to keep walking with him. There's no desire, nothing to pull me away from that. Okay, there was times of course you're tempted. Someone, the sheep. I'm sure when they're out there, there's like, oh, there's a greener pasture over there. But then they think back, if they have a brain, they think back and they go, oh, it's so much better here with the shepherd. So remember that today, that I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever, and I'm just so content being with the Lord that I am going to stay with the Lord forever. Thanks for watching as we conclude today Psalm 23. Thanks for being a part of this and watching every episode. And I will see you next time as we start a new book of the Bible. We'll see you then. Blessings.